Are we live? I think some interruption is happening, and I am really very sorry, Anjana ma'am. Some technical issue is happening again and again. So once again, we lost connection with ma'am. Ah, extremely sorry. Apologies from my end. I'll still wait whether ma'am is here or not. So this network is still not supporting us. अंबानी सर प्लीज थोड़ा रहम करिए आज, और हम भी लाइक चाहेंगे कि थोड़ा सपोर्ट मिले हमें अंबानी सर से, बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग जियो डेटा. स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर मैम टू जॉइन इन. लेट्स चेक. So this is the trouble we are facing during lockdown. Data consumption बहुत बढ़ गया है. So still waiting. Anjana ma'am will join or not. Let's see. Still waiting. Still waiting. So I hope okay people are joining in. Waiting. Yes. Let's see. I'm still waiting for ma'am.
Yeah, some
Ma'am,
network, I don't know whose network is going
yeah.
with.
अंबानी सर बिल्कुल सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे आज, जबकि दो सिंधी बातें कर रहे तो सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. तो मैम मैंने आपको तब तक सुना था, आप सेट पे बैठे थे एंड आपकी बात चल रही थी इरफान खान सर से. सो व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट?
No, and then we were just talking about schooling, and he went to the same school. Rather, I went to the same school he went to. I went for like a couple of years. Of course, there was like a over 20-year difference, but we both went to St. Paul's. So that was one common thing that that kind of binded the conversation because of the school. And his passing was very, very personal, and so was Rishi sir. Rishi sir, I had actually only met him once. I've never worked with him, and I think I met him at somebody's birthday party. I think it was probably Sanjay Dutt's sir's birthday party, and hardly a very brief conversation with him. But every time I saw him, his personality was he was like a sunshine, literally. Always very sweet, very straightforward, very honest. No bullshit, just say it as it is. I love that attitude about people, and it just felt like a really personal loss to lose both of them literally a day apart. So it's very difficult for me to pick a film honestly, because that doesn't justify their career at all.
So that's a very great answer, I would say. सुमन पारिक है एंड ये बोल रहे हेलो अंजना प्लीज रिप्लाई मी वंस. सुमन पारिक.
Hi Suman Parekh, how are you doing?
Yeah. So the first person you would like to meet once this lockdown gets over? Atishek is asking.
My dad. My dad is in Jaipur, right now, and he's obviously not been able to visit us since February actually this year. He was supposed to come in March, but then the lockdown was announced, so it was completely blocked up. So yeah, I would love to see my dad.
Okay. Sejal is asking, मैम क्या आप रामायण देखते हैं?
पर मैंने देखा है, अभी नहीं देख रही हूँ. आई थिंक जब तक रामायण शुरू होके खत्म हो जाता है तब मैं उठती हूँ नींद में से.
ओके. हाँ, सो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट डायलॉग दूंगा. हमारे 3 डायलॉग्स हो गए थे, एक और दूंगा मैं आपको.
अच्छा.
जो आपको सिंधी में बोल के बताना है. सो नेक्स्ट डायलॉग इज, क्राइम मास्टर गोगो नाम है मेरा, आंखें निकाल कर गोटियां खेलता हूँ.
ओ गॉड. ओके. मिंजो नालो आई क्राइम मास्टर गोगो, अखियों कड़ी गोटियों खेलंदस. Something like that, right?
Okay. मेरे पास कुछ रिडल्स हैं एंड लेट्स सी आप उनको सही आंसर गेस कर पाते हैं. ये थोड़ा फनी है, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचना है आपको. इट्स नॉट यूजुअल, सीरियस नहीं है. इसका कुछ भी ऊट पटांग आंसर हो सकता है. इट कुड बी अ पीजी आल्सो. Okay,
let's try.
Yeah, first one is, what has teeth but it cannot eat?
Oh God, I'm worst at these kind of riddles. What has teeth but cannot eat? I have no idea, dude.
Audience में से someone can help. Okay,
Yeah,
Sujal
right.
Jawani
Any answers to this? What is it called? It has
Sujal
teeth but
Janani
cannot
was trying
eat.
to- Yeah, the question is what has teeth but it cannot eat?
Any help?
चलिए I'll give you hint. इससे हम अपने बाल बनाते हैं.
Comb.
Oh. Okay, next one. Yeah, which table does not have legs?
यार ये सब चीजें table not have legs.
Which table does not have legs?
You have to keep
हम
giving me
खाते
hints.
नहीं
I think. खाते नहीं है.
हैं. हाँ. People are helping you. एकांश देखिए एक कमेंट आ चुका
Vegetable,
है.
vegetable. Abhishek Sachin is like vegetable. Thanks, Abhishek.
So audience तक मिलती जा रही है.
Suitable. Abhishek is saying suitable.
Vegetable और एक टाइम टेबल भी हो सकता है.
Timetable. That's true.
Okay, next one.
My
What kind of
sister is also there, Juhi Sukhani. Even she's telling me vegetable. Thanks, my love, for helping.
Next one is what kind of dog never bites?
यार यही बताएंगे अब मुझे नहीं पता. I have no idea about. What kind
Fast
of
food
dog? Huh? What kind of
Fast
dog?
food है. Never bites.
Fast food है. Frostbite.
कोई
No.
कोई ऑडियंस में
Fast
It's
food है.
easy.
French
Fast
fries.
food है.
What is it? Somebody
देखिए
said.
आंसर
Sohin is saying it's easy. I don't know. Hot dog. Hot dog.
Hot
Juhi is the one who's helping me all the time. Thanks, babe. Easy to push on to my sister. She's more intelligent than I am. Please ask her. She'll give you all the answers.
Okay. Next one is which is the most slippery country in the world?
Yeah. I will fail all these exams. I'm telling you. If somebody asks me all these questions, my brain doesn't work. Slippery? No.
Anyone? नहीं. चाइना नहीं है. नहीं. Slippery country
अरे
मैं
कुछ
बताऊंगा.
slippery type होगा. ऐसे ही कुछ होगा. कुछ something that is फिसलने वाला. कुछ नाम भी ऐसा ही होगा. हाँ. Switzerland?
मैं बता.
Switzerland?
नहीं.
नहीं baby.
Greece.
It's such dirty thing. Greece. हाँ.
Okay, one question is
Okay,
one
talk a
question is
little.
coming. सुजल जेनानी पूछ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Sujal Janani is asking, being a Sindhi, which dish you like the most? Dal pakwan or kadi chawal?
Both. But obviously you don't eat fried so much all the time. So dal pakwan second, but curry chawal every Sunday religiously, no matter what.
Okay. एक लास्ट रिडल लूंगा. थोड़ा आपके सर में दर्द होगा. एक मैं पर जरूर लूंगा. I would like कि आंसर करो. Which is faster, hot or cold?
Which is faster? What is
Hot
that?
or cold?
What does that even mean? What is faster?
In speed, you can say hot or cold.
None or both.
Actually, एक statement आती है. You can easily catch cold. So cold is faster.
Ah, yeah, that's true. Yeah, I've got cold. You're right. It's true.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Any beauty tips? Sejal is asking, ma'am, any beauty tips?
Any beauty tips? I think, wow. I think everything that's very home based is like a beauty tip for your skin. Like I use dahi and besan with a little bit of turmeric and curd. It's kind of exfoliating and bleaching the skin without the harsh chemicals of the bleach that people use otherwise. And one trick that actually my nanny taught me was oiling your navel. Which actually there in Ayurveda, but strangely people don't use it. And I have a huge dry skin issue. My skin's very dry. So she told me to either put ghee, few drops of ghee, or olive oil, or almond oil, or coconut oil before you sleep, a few drops in your navel.
Okay.
So that actually has started to make my skin much better now. So I think that's one beauty tip if you think it as a tip.
Okay. Atishek is saying, ma'am, you look very hot. I love you. Please reply me.
I love you too, Abhishek.
Okay. Last question I would like to take. Thoda
Yes.
hypothetical hai. So the question goes like this. If you have entire world's attention towards you for 30 seconds, so what message or what thing you would like to say to the world?
I would say, I would say live in la vida loca. Means live the crazy life.
Okay, but 30 seconds है मैम कुछ भी कुछ
इसके और भी
living and
बोल सकती हूँ बहुत सारे. No, I'll dance and say it then. Live in la vida loca.
okay. So मैम I hope आपको मजा आया आज हमारे साथ chat करके on school level.
I did. And I actually really did enjoy that Sindhi section. Nobody really does that with me, but people don't really know. But I'm a very fluent speaker of my Sindhi language, and I'm very proud and protective of it actually. And I just hope that our generation takes this very seriously. And I'm not saying don't focus on other languages or, you know, being more extrovert, but also give a little more weightage to our language as well, because I don't want our language to die because very few people speak it. And it'll be really nice to have youngsters contribute to that language not dying. So yeah, stay proud, stay Sindhi.
रैप अप करना चाहूंगा डाडो सुथो लगेओ एंड तासा बाग
गालैंड
करे
ना गालैंड
मेरे को नहीं
मां ॿुधायां थी न तासा ॻाल्हाइण मूंखे तमामु वधीक सुठो लॻियो ऐं मौक़ो मिलियो त पोइ अॻियां बि ही इंस्टा लाइव कंदासीं तेसिताईं जय झूलेलाल.
जय झूलेलाल. So ma'am, stay safe. Lots of luck to you, and ma'am, we'll meet you very soon once this lockdown gets over.
Yes, thank you and same to you. Take care. Lots of love. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, how do you